Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make this really yummy recipe. I'm stepping away from soup after I did for a couple weeks to make a yummy pepperoni chicken. It takes only a few ingredients and a little bit of time, and it's so good and so filling. Let's get to it. Alrighty then, we're going to go ahead and start. I have some butter and some oil heating up in the skillet here. I'm going to get my chicken. I got big chicken breasts. I cut them in half through the center so I had more pieces, and they're thinner pieces so they cook easier. I'm going to go ahead and season them with plenty of salt and pepper. I'm going to do it to both sides. Didn't flip them. Some of these aren't too pretty, but that's alright. They'll still do the job. And salt. And pepper. Season them up real nice. Get some flavor in there. Alright, and after they're seasoned up, you got your butter all melted up in your oil there, and you go ahead and take some of the pieces and cook them on there about 2 or 3 minutes per side to get them nice and cooked. If you have to, for like some of these thicker pieces, I'm going to cook them a little bit longer just to be safe. But I will come back to you guys when they're all done. Alright, so that took some time, took longer than I thought because I have some thicker pieces here. They got a nice brown on them. Go ahead and take them off and put them on a plate. If I had thinner pieces, it wouldn't take so long. Alright, and then in the same skillet, you go ahead and get some marinara sauce. Go ahead and pour that marinara sauce in there. I'm going to use more than that. I used to use this bigger skillet, but I'm going to go ahead and use more than this so I can make sure I have enough sauce for everything. Got 2 different brands going on here, so hopefully they don't hurt each other. And mix it up because I got, like I said, 2 different brands mixed in there. Alright. Let that heat up for a little bit. Wait until there's heating up until, already starting to do it, but it starts heating all the way through so all the sauce is nice and toasty warm. Let's give it a couple seconds here. That's good enough for me. Then get the chicken, go ahead and put it right back in there. See if I can grab it. You want to flip it too to get some coating on both sides here. I'll turn this down just a wee bit. I don't need it that hot anymore. Come on. There's a big old piece. All right. And I got those there. Get my pepperonis. Oh, I don't need to bubble so much, golly. I'm gonna arrange the pepperonis on it, so I'm trying to burn myself at the same time. There we go. Put my pepperonis on. You want to cover the chicken all up with the pepperonis, or else it won't be pepperoni chicken. Leave that piece off, it's kind of a thick piece right there. Got a big old bag of pepperoni here because it was on sale. Couldn't help myself. So you're gonna cover the chickens all up with this, and then you can use sliced mozzarella, or I like to use shredded. Get the shredded mozzarella and sprinkle it over the chickens. Here, Gwen, you want to help? Yeah. Go ahead and grab some and sprinkle it on the chickens.
think these chickens are still alive.
That's my sound effects.
Popping a lot, Daddy.
Yeah. All right, now I got a little bit more just because I like my cheesiness. I am a cheese lover indeed.
Now I'm panda lover.
All right. Then go ahead and cover your skillet and heat it up for about 2 more minutes, just enough to get the cheese all melted through. And I'll come back to you when mine's done. All right, and you see the cheese all nice and melted, looks all pretty. I'm gonna scoot it up here a little bit. Get my plate. I'm using pasta as a base for it. You can use rice or just eat it by itself, or anything you like to put chicken on. You can go ahead and grab your piece. Oh, that looks so pretty. Look at that cheese coming off it. Oh no, it's stuck on me. I guess there's worse things to happen.
It's alive.
I love mozzarella.
Daddy!
It keeps attacking me.
It's alive. Oh, thanks for sharing it.
You're welcome. All right. And there you go. Nice, yummy pepperoni chicken. I'm gonna pour some of that sauce on it. A little extra sauce all over your noodles and stuff. And there you go. Boom. I hope you like it. And there you have it. Told you, nice and simple, only a few ingredients. It only took maybe 20-30 minutes tops. Tastes so good and nice and filling. It'll definitely hit that spot in your belly. It's just so good. If you like this, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you thought, if you would add or subtract anything, and if you have any other ideas or recipes you'd like to see me do. And while you're down there, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that little bell doohickey so you know when I post more videos. And I guess I'll see you around.